Babe, where are we at?
Secret location.
Where are we at?
Oh, Walmart?
You guys, we're at Walmart. I'm not going to be able to talk right in this video. You guys already know when I start stumbling over my words and talking fast, you guys know it's a deal. Only on Angel on the Go. Only. What did we tell them? We told you guys.
Look out.
We found these. Remember the community post that we did? And this is our secret Walmart, you guys. Our secret Walmart. We have been checking the price on these for over 5 days now. And this morning, we checked and they dropped. They dropped. Blankets. They dropped. And you guys, look at this. I'm going to show you which ones they have. Look at this gray. They have this really soft gray. And again, this is the Better Homes and Gardens light gray cloud throw. 50 by 60. Here's the UPC. And I don't think we got gray in the last video. They also have this purple, which we found in our last video. Can you grab this? All right, so here's the purple. And here's the UPC for the purple. Let me show you the back. There's the UPC. And you guys, I think we got the purple last time, right, Manny? Yeah. But I don't think we got the red. Yeah. So the red is a new one for us, you guys. There goes the tag. Can you grab that on the floor? You got it? All right, so here's the UPC for the red. Here's the color. Can you grab this? All right, we got the blue. Here's the UPC for the blue. All right, can you grab this? And let's see. Okay, so we got purple, red. I love this light gray. We got the green down here. Here's the UPC for the green. All right, so we got the light gray. These are only $4.50. So the light gray is $4.50. The purple, $4.50. Just like our last video. The red is $4.50. We have the green for $4.50. And the blue for $4.50. Now over here, you guys remember these in our last video. These are only $4. So here's the UPC for this one. Only $4. These are $4, you guys. So there's the UPC. And then we got the light blue one, which are only $4. $4. This is our secret, very secret Walmart. And we are going to snatch these. We already know that someone's going to come up to us and ask about these blankets. So if they do, if you guys see us in the store this morning, ask us and we'll give you one. We might give you one. But we're going to go ahead and take, matter of fact, we're going to take the ones that have these. There's some that don't have the tags like these, and we're probably going to leave these. But you guys, $4.50 and $4. This is why you guys have to watch Angel on the Go. Also, if you guys see this deal in your store and it's still ringing up regular price, keep an eye on them because they might go down. We're loading up our cart. All right, you guys, here's our cart. Cart number one. You guys got to remember, if you're resellers, the holidays is coming up fast and people love blankets for Christmas. Here's cart number 2. I cannot believe we're still scoring these. I actually decided to get this one, you guys. Even though there's no tag, I can go ahead and keep this for myself. Right, Manny? Can I keep this one?
I got no tag.
Yeah, it don't have no tag, you guys. So we really can't sell this online. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one for myself. All right, look at this, you guys. We are still finding more clearance. Not only do we have all the blankets down here, but we are finding more clearance. This is the Mainstays Flannel Comforter Set. Look at this. I cannot believe it. I just decided to scan because they kind of look like holiday. It includes 1 full/queen comforter and 2 standard shams. It's reversible. It has the Serpa. Really soft. Again, this is a full queen Mainstays, and it's a 3-piece, you guys. 3-piece. Look at this. Here's what the side looks like. Look at how soft. If you guys were only here to feel it, it is super soft. Again, it has a serper right here. This is Mainstays. Let me scoot back so you guys can see. And let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC for this color. And this is the red green plaid. You guys, this is on sale for only $9. $9. It was about $35, $40. Now it's down to $9. This one right here too, this is a nice one. This is a flannel one. And I'll probably give this to my daughter because she has a Deadpool room. This matches perfect. This is also a full queen. And this is Mainstays. And again, this is the Flannel Comforter Set. It's a 3-piece. And look at that. It includes a full queen comforter, 2 standard shams. So both of these are the same. This one looks like this. And this one is the red and black plaid. Here's the UPC. And this one is also only $9. We are grabbing these. I only see 2. Again, this one also has the Surfa. And I cannot believe that we're finding all of these this morning. This is why we wake up early in the morning. So we got one for $9. And this one's also for $9, you guys. Good luck and let us know if you guys score. We're going to go to a couple more Walmarts to see if we can find any more of these. But this is such a great deal. Only $9. All right, you guys, look at this. We just found a weighted blanket. We have no clue why this Walmart has all these blankets on sale, but we're not going to complain. This is, again, the weighted blanket. And look at this. It's 12 pounds. So look out for this one. Applies common pressure, helps you relax. My mask is falling off, sorry. And it's 48-inch by 72. And again, this is what the box looks like, so look out for this picture right here. Again, it's 12 pounds. Oh, this box is heavy. Look at the color, you guys. Look how pretty that is. It's like a light beige. All right, let me go ahead and show you that. And I believe they have this color and gray, but we haven't seen the gray yet. And I'm trying to find the UPC, but you see the UPC?
Yeah, it's just this one up here.
Okay. Well, this is the UPC, you guys, so hopefully you guys can scan it. But this one is only coming up. Ooh, that thing's heavy. This one's only coming up $17, you guys. So if you're in Walmart and you see this blanket right here, remember to look out for this color and look out for the gray. 12 pounds. Remember, this one is on clearance. This one is only scanning up $17. $17 only on Angel on the Go. Good luck. All right, you guys, we are finally checked out and we are walking out of Walmart. I am straight out of breath. This is how we do it on Angel on the Go. Every day, all day. Manny got 2 carts. I got 1. You need the receipt? No? Okay. All right, where do we park? We show you guys the deals. We get all the deals. We buy them up. And now we're going to stack our car. Babe, do we have room? Do we have room? This is our secret Walmart, you guys. This is why we posted that comment before saying that we were keeping our eyes on this certain Walmart for these blankets. It took a while for these blankets to go on sale for $4, But they finally went down today. And look at the bottom. We even got blankets at the bottom. I am out of breath. I think it's time to get a Frappuccino and head off to the next Walmart. But make sure you guys like this video. We always bring you guys all the deals. Make sure you guys run to this Walmart or to your local Walmart. See if you guys can find these $4.50 and $4 blankets. Again, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and click on that notification bell. Until the next time, bye.